Okay, now we're going to turn off edit envelopes and freeze selection so that we can grab the forearm here. Come on. Try that again. There we go. We're going to test that out. Alright, I'm going to unfreeze all, go back to edit envelopes. I'm going to choose the forearm, select these front verts and set them to 0.75. And then I'm going to select the upper arm, and I'm going to go ahead and grab these remaining verts here, set them to 0.1. Let's try that. Freeze selection. Alright, that'll work. So now I'm going to unfreeze all. Now I'm going to move on to the left hand. Grab everything starting at the wrist here, and then I'm going to go through and I'm going to go ahead and unselect the actual sleeve part here. Alright, now I'm going to rig that fully to the hand. But then I'm going to go back to the forearm. I'm going to unselect all but like the top loop here. I'm going to set that to 0.25. I'm going to grab the next loop down and set it to 0.1. Alright, turn off edit envelopes, freeze selection, grab the hand and go ahead and test that out. That'll work. Unfreeze all, select the mesh again. Next thing up is the neck, so we're going to go up, we're going to grab this one loop here around the neck. We're going to set that to 0.5, and then we're going to move to the head bone with the same vert selected. We're going to set 0.5 again. There we go. And then we're going to select all of the verts above that line, and we'll rig those 100% to the head. Make sure you don't miss any of those. Alright, now that the entire left side of our biped is finished, we're going to scroll down here to mirror mode. We're going to turn it on, change the mirror plane to Y, and then we're going to use the offset option here, and we're going to move it until one side becomes blue and the other side green. Exactly like that. Alright, now we're going to use the option paste green to blue verts. Turn mirror mode off and scroll back up. And we're going to go ahead and take a look at our right side bones. Make sure it all looks about right. Okay. Now we're going to scroll back up to the top, turn off edit envelopes. I'm going to turn off my wireframe, right click, freeze selection, and I'm going to go through and just sort of test out each bone. Come on, if it'll let me select them. I'm not sure why it's not letting me select that. Pelvis there. Alright, the spine. that'll work. Now the next spine. Alright, that'll work. Now we're going to find the neck bone. Oops. Alright, head. That looks good. Now we're going to grab the upper arm. Alright, now the forearm. Okay. We already tested the left side, so really what we need to test is the right side here. Okay, now we need to check the legs. Alright. Now we're going to want to save this. We're going to want to open up our Halo root directory. Oh, that's not the right thing. Here we go. Now we're going to want to go to Data, Characters, create a new folder. I'm just going to call it SWAT. Create a folder called Models, another one called Bitmaps, and that'll do for now. We're going to go ahead and go back to 3DS, save as, and we're going to navigate to the folder we just created, Models. We're going to put it in there, named SWAT. Alright, and then we're going to go to where we have our texture. We're going to grab that and put it in bitmaps. Alright, back in 3DS, you're going to want to open up your material editor by hitting M. Choose multi-sub object, discard old material, and delete all but one. Alright, now we're going to want to go to bitmap, go to where we just put that texture and select it. We're going to want to put SWAT here, and here, and there. Alright, now we're going to apply it to our character. Oops, let's see, unfreeze. Ah, dang it. Let's try that again. Alright, SWAT. It's already there. And now apply it to the character. There we go. I'll save that, and I will pick this up in the next tutorial.